In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Shopify store speed. Let's start right inside your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. From that menu, look for the option labeled Online Store and click it. This is where Shopify keeps everything related to how your storefront looks and behaves. When you click Online Store, you'll automatically be taken into the Themes section. Here, you'll see your current theme at the top, and below that, your theme library with any additional themes you've installed. Above your current theme, at the very top of this page, there is an important section dedicated to speed and performance. It shows metrics like a 30-day window, LCP P75, INP P70, and other values based on Core Web Vitals, which are Google's standards for measuring real-world user experience. By default, the time window is set to 30 days. This means Shopify is showing you data collected over the last month. If you click on that 30-day dropdown, you'll see two more options, today and 7 days. Choosing one of these changes the period that the metrics are calculated from. For example, today gives you a snapshot of what's happening right now, while 7 days smooths out daily fluctuations but is still more recent than 30 days. Switching between these can help you understand whether a recent change affected your store speed. Now let's break down what those key metrics mean. Starting with LCP, or largest contentful paint, labeled as LCP P75. This tells you how long it takes for the main content of your page to load for most of your visitors. Think of things like your hero image, headline, or main banner. The P75 means the 75th percentile, so it reflects what the experience is like for the majority of users, not just the very fastest or very slowest. Lower numbers are better, and a good LCP is around 2.5 seconds, or 2500 milliseconds, or faster. This metric has the biggest impact on how fast your store feels when someone first arrives. Next is INP, which stands for Interaction to Next Paint, also shown as INP P75. This measures how quickly your store responds when people interact with it, like clicking buttons, tapping links, or typing into fields. Again, lower is better. INP is all about responsiveness. If this number is high, your store may feel laggy or slow to react, even if the initial load seemed fine. Finally, you'll see a metric related to cumulative layout shift, often called CLS. This shows how much the page visually jumps around while it's loading. You've probably seen pages where text or buttons move suddenly as images load in. That's what this is measuring. A lower score means a more stable layout, and a score of 0 means nothing shifts at all during loading, which is ideal for a smooth user experience. By regularly checking these built-in Shopify metrics and adjusting the date range to today, 7 days, or 30 days, you can keep an eye on how fast and stable your store feels for your visitors, and quickly spot any performance issues after you make design or app changes.